Long before the laser level or the pneumatic nailer, there was a much humbler tool, and it was whispered about in lumber yards, workshops, and job sites across America. It was known as the board stretcher. Some say that it was invented in the 1800s by a desperate timber mill foreman in Ohio named Eli Yoder, a no-nonsense man with a heavy beard and a heavier reputation for making do with whatever was on hand. Others claim that it was the secret weapon of a Civil War-era barn builder who could miraculously rescue miscut planks. Tales circulated about a crank-handled device the size of a miter saw that could relignify wood fibers, coaxing boards back to their original lengths. Diagrams of levered contraptions and spring-loaded clamps appeared to be in-joke blueprints, complete with fake patents and fake testimonials. There were even rumors of an early Sears catalog entry now mysteriously absent from the archives. But the truth? The board stretcher never existed. It's a rite, not a relic. It's a practical joke passed down from seasoned tradesmen to wide-eyed apprentices. And it usually starts with a short board and a long pause. A rookie in the shop makes a cut too quickly, just a little shy of the line. Not a disaster, not yet. But the old-timers, they see their chance. With a straight face and a slow shake of the head, they send the greenhorn on a mission to go find the board stretcher. But yet, there's no such thing. The board stretcher is pure fiction, a dry but time-honored gag with a lesson behind the laugh. You won't find it listed in any tool catalog or mounted on a shop wall, because while metal can be welded and plastics could be reformed, lumber does not offer second chances. Wood is fibrous, linear, and final. Once it's cut short, you cannot stretch it. You either splice a new piece with good joinery, or you simply start over. In the United States, a standard 2x4 actually measures 1.5 inches by 3.5 inches. That's 3.8 by 8.9 centimeters. They're sold in common lengths like 8, 10, or 12 feet. That's 2.4, 3, or 3.7 meters. On a job site, every inch matters. Misjudging a 10-foot or 3-meter board by even half an inch, 1.3 centimeters, it could compromise structural integrity. Waste like that piles up, especially when lumber isn't cheap and deadlines are real tight. But the deeper lesson behind the board stretcher joke, it isn't about wood. It's about wisdom. It's a quiet warning against rushing. It's a reminder that old rules endure for a reason. Measure twice, cut once. Because carpentry isn't just about tools or materials, it's about choices. Precision lives in the fractions of an inch. Strength is built through forethought. And when a young worker is sent chasing a fictional fix, what they're really being given is a principle that will outlast any piece of pine or plank. You don't fix a short board. You fix the habit that cut it. These are Interesting Things with JC.